Welcome back to another unboxing, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. Today I've got an Apple Watch Series 6 Nike edition for you. The packaging is pretty neat, as you'd expect from Apple products. It's a clean, simple box with some basic information on the backside, like model and size. Let's begin by taking off the plastic peel, which has a little tab so you can take it off without any problems. After taking the plastic peel off the box, you can see two tabs on the back, which you need to pull in order to open it. It's a little hard to pull them without breaking them, but I managed to do so just fine. On the inside of the large box, we can see two smaller boxes. One with the Apple Watch and the charging cable, the other one with the Nike band. But let's start with the most interesting one, the watch itself. On top we can see some instructions on how to charge the watch and how to install the bands. Remarkable is the fact that Apple used another sleeve for the Apple Watch than the sleeve on the previous versions. This one is more cardboard-like, and the other one was more some kind of fiber. Although it's not among the strongest watches out there, it still feels really sturdy and looks stunning. I'm not going to be opening the cable today, because I already own one, which is exactly the same. Let's get into the bands instead. We start by pulling the tab. Inside the box we can see the bands folded up in their instructions. The watch comes with two sizes of bands, so it will almost certainly fit. I actually started using the small one because the large one was a little bit too big for my wrist. So yeah, overall I'm pretty pleased with the Apple Watch Series 6. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment in the description which color you'd get. See you in the next unboxing.